Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best foldable hangers is probably one of the most useful travel accessories for keeping your clothes organized and wrinkle-free while traveling, saving you valuable space in your luggage and ensuring your outfits arrive at your destination looking their best. In this video, we will review the top foldable hangers available on the market, comparing their features, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your next adventure. Number 5. Travel Hangers Cruise Essentials. These hangers are incredibly lightweight and foldable, making them perfect for travel. They easily pack away, saving you valuable space in your suitcase. Say goodbye to clothes slipping off. The anti-slip bottom keeps your garments securely in place, wrinkle-free. Made from sturdy plastic, it can hold up to 10 pounds. You can confidently hang even your heavier items. At just 1.5 inches wide when folded, it's incredibly compact. They're perfect for any trip, big or small. Whether it's dresses, pants, coats, or suits, it's versatile enough for all your clothing needs. Keep your wardrobe organized wherever you go. This convenient 10-piece set ensures you have enough hangers for all your clothes. No more struggling with limited hanging space. What we like? These hangers are incredibly lightweight and easy to pack, perfect for any trip. The anti-slip design ensures your clothes stay put, even on bumpy journeys. If you're looking for a durable, affordable option that won't weigh down your luggage, this is it. What people say. They unfold into full size, are strong enough to support most clothes. I wouldn't use them for anything heavier than a light jacket. There are hooks for hanging strappy things. So light and small, I can fold them out to what size I need. They worked well with full-size shirts and dresses and were sturdy. I did not try heavy jackets. They fold up nicely and do not take up a bunch of room in your luggage. They are slim but durable. Number 4. 12 PCS Folding Clothes Hangers. These aren't your average hangers. They're strong, durable, and designed for ultimate convenience, whether you're at home or on the go. Each hanger is made with high-quality materials, weighing 37 grams. They can handle even wet and heavy clothes without breaking, unlike other hangers. The unique design keeps your clothes securely in place, so you won't have to worry about them slipping off. These hangers fold up neatly, saving valuable space in your suitcase or closet. They're perfect for travel and storage. Their foldable design makes them incredibly easy to carry. Take them with you on trips, camping adventures, or anywhere you need them. Use them fully unfolded for adult clothes, or partially unfolded for smaller items like baby clothes. The center groove prevents clothes from slipping. These hangers are built to last. Their high quality ensures a much longer lifespan compared to other similar products. What we like? These hangers are surprisingly strong, able to hold even wet or heavy clothes without breaking. The unique design prevents clothes from falling, giving you peace of mind. If you need a reliable hanger for heavier items, this is your best bet. What people say. These are full-size hangers that fold down in 3 parts and take only a tiny amount of space. Very lightweight and easy to squeeze into a carry-on size suitcase but sturdy. Have taken these on international and domestic trips and they've proven to be very helpful. Made well, fold fairly compactly, and hold heavy clothing without issue. I ordered multiple sets of these as I was going on a 2-week cruise. I am so glad that I did. It truly provided the additional hanging storage that I needed. They were lightweight, easy to pack, and I highly recommend them for longer vacations. They are good for holding dresses, blouses, men's dress shirts, etc. Number 3. AEYTLOI Travel Hangers. It's perfect for hanging various clothes. Half unfolded, it's great for underwear or kids' clothes. Fully unfolded, it holds adult clothing securely thanks to its clever design. These hangers keep your clothes in place. The non-slip design works for dresses, pants, coats, even delicate items like bathing suits. They easily fit into travel bags and suitcases, saving space. Take them anywhere, from hotels to campsites, even on cruises. Each hanger is lightweight, weighing just 27 grams. They're convenient for travel or everyday use at home. You get 10 travel hangers and a 16.4-foot clothesline. Everything you need to keep your clothes organized on the go. What we like? These colorful hangers are incredibly versatile, suitable for both adult and children's clothing. Their compact size makes them perfect for travel, and the high-quality materials ensure they'll last. If you value versatility and quality, these are the perfect choice. What people say. They fold up into themselves so they're small enough and easy to store. Very compact, definitely easy to travel with. They hold up my blazers, hoodies, and lightweight jackets just fine. Lightweight, good size, easy to pack and don't let the clothes slip off. Number 2. Travel Folding Hangers, 3PCS. Introducing the ultimate travel essential, a folding clothes hanger that maximizes space efficiency. It's perfect for keeping your clothes organized and wrinkle-free on the go. This hanger folds flat for easy packing, yet unfolds to provide sturdy support for coats and other garments. It's designed for simple, convenient use. The unique card slot design ensures it folds compactly without losing its strength or shape. It's built to last, trip after trip. Say goodbye to slipping clothes. Its anti-slip design keeps your garments securely in place, even delicate items. It's designed for reliable performance. It's adjustable to fit both adult and children's clothing. One hanger for the whole family. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. Made from high-quality, durable PP material, it's resistant to high temperatures and aging. It's also eco-friendly and fade-resistant. It's a sustainable choice for your travels. This lightweight hanger can hold up to 33 pounds of clothing. It's incredibly strong and reliable, even with heavier items. It's built to handle your wardrobe. What we like. These space-saving hangers fold up incredibly small, maximizing your luggage space. The anti-slip design keeps clothes secure, and the retractable length accommodates various garment sizes. If you prioritize space optimization, these are ideal. What people say. Took these on an international trip and found them very helpful for hanging up sink laundry and swimsuits. Compact and lightweight, easy to throw in a suitcase. Good for Airbnb travel where there might not be hangers. I got these to hang up my hoodies and work shirts while at work. They do the job well but are relatively flimsy. As a compact item for travel, they are very good. They take up little to no room and come in quite handy when you're in a pinch and need a hanger. I was afraid they would not be sturdy enough to hold up a small organizer with pockets. Used it on a cruise to put deodorant, sunscreen, etc. And it held fine. I didn't extend the arms out all the way, but left them more for children clothing to give it some extra strength. So far a repeat cruise essential. Number 1. Maitys Folding Travel Hangers. Tired of wrinkled clothes on your trips? These hangers fold up small, but hold your clothes securely. They're perfect for keeping your wardrobe neat and tidy while traveling. This set includes 12 space-saving hangers and 24 clips. That's plenty for your clothes and enough to share with a travel buddy. When folded, they're only 7.4 by 13.5 centimeters. They easily slip into your suitcase or carry-on bag without adding bulk. Made from high-quality plastic, these hangers are sturdy and dependable. They won't break or bend easily, ensuring your clothes stay in place. The non-slip design of the hangers keeps your clothes securely in place, preventing them from slipping or falling. It also helps maintain the shape of your garments. Lightweight and foldable, these hangers are a breeze to pack and carry. They'll significantly reduce the weight of your luggage, leaving more room for souvenirs. What we like. This set includes multiple hangers with clips, providing ample options for your clothing. The non-slip design keeps clothes secure, and their lightweight nature makes them easy to pack. If you need a large quantity of reliable hangers for a family trip, this is the perfect set. What people say. The clips were great to hang drying items. Very lightweight and took up little space. Perfect for travel, never enough hangers, and these really work well and take little space in your luggage. Since these hangers fold small enough, I can easily take a half dozen, and with the included clips, I can hang slacks, not just shirts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.